Using a remittance coupon to pay bills is a convenient and efficient way to settle your accounts. To get started, first understand what a remittance coupon is. A remittance coupon is a payment slip that allows you to pay your bills by mail or in person. To use a remittance coupon, begin by obtaining one from your biller or downloading it from their website. Fill in the required information, including your account number, payment amount, and other relevant details. Make sure to write clearly and accurately to avoid any errors. Next, detach the remittance coupon from your bill and attach a check or money order for the payment amount. Ensure that your payment is made payable to the biller and that you include your account number on the check or money order. Once you have prepared your remittance coupon and payment, mail it to the address listed on the coupon or take it to a designated payment location. Be sure to keep a record of your payment, including the date and amount paid, in case you need to refer to it later. It is also important to note that some billers may offer online remittance options, allowing you to pay your bills electronically using a remittance coupon code. To use this option, simply log in to the biller's website, enter your remittance coupon code, and follow the prompts to complete your payment. In addition to being convenient, using a remittance coupon to pay bills also provides a paper trail, which can be helpful for record keeping and budgeting purposes. By following these steps and using a remittance coupon to pay your bills, you can ensure that your payments are made accurately and efficiently. Best practices for using remittance coupons include keeping track of your payments, verifying that your payments have been received, and storing your remittance coupons in a safe place. By following these guidelines, you can use remittance coupons to pay your bills with confidence and ease.